Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Shopify Storefront API access token. So for you want to head over to admin.shopify.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on settings, then click on apps and sales channels. And from here, we're just going to develop apps. So just click on this button and of course allow custom app development. Click it once again. And we're just going to start by creating an app. So we're going to name this app, or you can name depending on what you want. So in my case, I'm just going to name this storefront. Then, of course, the app developer is us. Then proceed by clicking on Create App. And if we go to API credentials, you can see here that we don't have an access tokens yet. And for us to get the access token, we're going to need to first configure admin API scopes. Make sure that you check the scopes that you're going to need. Then click on Save. And once again, we're going to head back to configuration, then install the app. So we're just going to click on install. And from here, we now have the admin API access token. You can reveal by clicking on this link and have an option to copy this. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!